Is your Windows computer taking too long to start? Too many startup apps can slow down boot time and use system resources in the background. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable startup apps using Wintoys safely and improve your startup experience. Let's get started. First, launch Wintoys from the Start menu. Wait for the application to load completely, then navigate to the section that manages startup applications. Wintoys brings these controls together, so you don't have to search through multiple Windows menus. Next, review the list of applications that launch automatically when Windows starts. Take a moment to identify programs that you rarely use or don't need running immediately after signing in. Not every startup app needs to be disabled, so review the list carefully. Now disable the startup apps you don't need by switching them off or changing their startup status, depending on your version of Windows. Be careful not to disable security software, hardware drivers, or other applications that are important for your system to function properly. Once you've finished making your changes, close Wintoys and restart your computer. Most startup changes take effect the next time Windows starts, so a restart is the easiest way to verify the results. After Windows restarts, sign in and observe how quickly your desktop becomes ready to use. If you disabled an application that you later decide you need at startup, simply return to Wintoys and enable it again. You can always adjust your startup list as your needs change. And that's how to disable startup apps using Wintoys. Reducing unnecessary startup programs can help your computer boot more efficiently while keeping essential applications available when you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.